Welcome to a new vlog. We are back on the road again. We're now going to the most recommended place in Sri Lanka, which is
Sigiriya Lion Rock.
which is Sigiriya in general.
Oh, Sigiriya, sorry.
Pachka kar de there. Candy was nice. I would recommend coming here.
And Da didn't want to be in Candy. Da was like, let's go to Sigiriya directly.
I mean, you can skip here, honestly.
No, you cannot. It's a good place.
It's a good market. We did not shop inside the market, but we're now going to eat something. We're super hungry. And we need a coffee because the ride from Kandy to Sigiriya is going to take us 2.5 hours. So I went on the Google Maps yesterday and I was searching for coffee. So I found this place. We did not visit yesterday and we came here. Rhythm was like, why were we not here yesterday? Such a nice coffee place.
I would be every morning over here doing this place.
So we're just here for 2 days.
So, exactly, 2 mornings.
After our run, yeah. What's the cafe called?
Buono.
It's literally inside the Kandy market and look how gorgeous the cafe is. I love the seating by the way of the community table. And then what is this?
Oh, the
What is
Turkish coffee.
Turkish pot, yeah.
The Turkish pot, yeah.
Try not to just address how coffee is.
Try not to give any reaction.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Eyes are not supposed to read.
You know, it glitched over there.
It glitched. Very nice.
Rhythm order for the banana bread and every time we order anywhere else, the banana flavor is so strong but here, it's perfectly balanced.
It's filled with sugar. It's filled with sugar and the bread is not flaky. It's like very soft.
Yeah, the bread is stale usually.
Yeah.
But this actually tastes like a bread.
And they give us a butter on it.
We just devoured it like in seconds. One more?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind.
Excuse me. Can we have one more?
The main reason we are in Sigiriya is to visit the Lion's Rock at the Pirdungla Rock. So Pirdungla Rock is opposite to Sigiriya Rock and they say that you get a better view from this rock, which we are currently hiking. There are a lot of monkeys around. So I need to be very careful with my Insta360.
Hello, this is Rhythm's vlog. Old Ida just handed me the Insta360. Now it's my responsibility to vlog. So I'm going to try my best to do so. Meanwhile, she's going to shoot her brand deal. I don't know why we do this to ourselves. I don't remember the last time I hiked. Oh, it's been forever. One by one soldiers are falling, but we keep going strong. Should not have worn black.
Look at his haircut.
Yeah. I got a mullet. I'm hiking after almost a year and we've already planned another hike tomorrow morning. So let's just say that my legs are going to be cooked on the flight.
So unfit, man. So unfit. Oh, you can run a marathon, but you can't fucking hike. Yeah, I can't.
I think we should have carried a pair of chains. It's actually hot.
It's not hot actually. Really. Because we're hiking up for such a long time. The effort is getting to us.
Correct. Plus I just ran 2.5 kilometers, so I was already sweating.
In the jungle.
We might have to wait a little.
I can hold it right now. This is fun actually. Wow. Well, that was a smart move.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay. Wow. The Lion's Rock.
District Lions Rock. You can ignore the people. Yes.
So many people.
Not that.
How are we feeling, boys? How insane is that rock? In middle of the jungle.
That's the tallest thing out of everything. It's plain everywhere. Everything is flat. And there's these 2 rocks.
But even look at this big boulder.
I do.
What?
How did it even come over here? To get that shape.
Yeah.
Even that rock. But I've been seeing this on Pinterest and on Google for such a long time.
And I'm finally seeing it.
Live.
Yeah.
So privileged, so fucking grateful.
And it is insane. The way they say it on the YouTube vlogs and on Google vlogs, We should definitely come here. We just got done with the hike. Even though we did not get a pretty sunset, but we did get a pretty view. So not complaining at all. And we're down here safely. So make sure whenever you are in Sri Lanka, come to... I forgot this name. What's that? Pidurangala Rock. Come to the Pidurangala Rock. We're finally getting to visit the jungle side of Sri Lanka. I was nicely peeing and then I turned my neck and then I saw a frog on the tissue paper. The fuck? भाई रूम में नहीं आया, रूम में नहीं आना चाहिए, रूम में आके देख ले. What was that?
बेबी फटी पड़ी है, आजा.
मैं क्यों? बेटा बेबी बुला जा उसको, बोल ये गया है बाथरूम में बेडू के रिफंड दे.
I don't want to hurt you. Oh, आजा.
तो विंडो खोलिए कि बंद है?
Oh, हाँ.
Smart.
Strong one. ये U-turn मारा ना आपने. तू कहाँ पे है भाई तू? गया. मार थोड़ा. बंद कर.
Yay! Mission successful. It is our last day in Sri Lanka and we've woken up for a sunrise hike at the Lions Rock. So when you carry your passport, the ticket for you is USD $20. But if you don't have the passport, it's $35 USD. Why would you carry a passport with you for a hike? You're going to be so sweaty, and what if it rains? We waited for you.
It is true.
This is actually famous for a sunrise trek, but for the sunrise trek you need to be up by 3:30 I feel and be here at the spot at 5 o'clock. The ticket counters do open at 5 o'clock. So many monkeys, literally spot 10 of them. Wait. Oh my god. People 10.
I'm the Senapati. Thank you for your service. They are guiding us to the top.
So many of them.
See the lion's paw. Piche.
Oh! And that is why we call Lions Rock.
Hello, sir. This is my general number 10.
Okay.
He was assigned over here.
Oh.
He was ordered to wait and escort us to the top. It looks like he's tired, so he won't be joining on the top anymore. My vertigo is kicking. I've not seen him down.
Seriously? And we are up. It took us around 15 minutes to hike up. But the blogs we read, people said it will take you 45 minutes. I think it's for the unfit people who want to take a lot of breaks in between. The boys are sitting. I'm like, I'm not sitting. I'd rather walk and see every corner.
Oh my god, wow, so pretty.
I like the Pidurangala Rock more.
Pidurangala.
Pidurangala Rock.
Pidurangala.
This.
I
Because
know
you
it
could
by-
spot this.
Yes, you could spot this.
Yeah.
And that is more less railings and more natural and more
Correct.
less man-made.
Yeah.
Because this is man-made and this is more history. That like I'm not interested.
Give me the adventure.
Yes.
Give me those rocks.
I want a rock where I can just stay at the edge
And a
and
big boulder.
almost die.
Yeah.
What is this railing? I don't want railings.
Yeah, we paid 35 USD for this, guys.
You would give a USD for your safety. Which is exactly what God doesn't want.
Actually, Arabat.
Bandar hai tu, na? You're literally in your prime like environment. You're meant for the nature. Oh wow. You should make so much money in life that you could have such a big pool.
Such a big pool.
Yes. And you could host your own like wave parties over here.
तेरे माँ ने दिया था कि तेरे बाप ने?
मैं देगा. That water is so mucky. I'm pretty sure if I just enter that, I get 3 bacteria in me.
I don't think you will die. Will
Either I'll
you?
die of some disease or I'll become 100 times more immune. And I'll say, fuck you, COVID. Fuck.
I'm like, guys, we paid 35 USD. Let's just spend 35 minutes inside this rock.
But it's also our fault. Like we should have read the instructions. Like if you're an Indian and you have a passport,
Yeah.
you definitely get $10 off.
I think at this point you should just carry your passport everywhere for iska 15.
Oh
Ouch.
yeah, it was
35 to
$20. Yeah.
20 tha na?
35 USD is normal. If you're Indian, you get $20.
Yeah, that I figured.
So
At least I'm glad that this pool exists. There's something. Brandon, which rock did you like?
honestly,
Rhythm, you?
don't
बोला
ask
था
me the
मैंने।
name though.
मैंने बोला था क्या?
Pidurangala.
Pidu Rangala. Remember, Brandon, so that next time you tell someone where you went, you can at least tell the name of the rock.
Brandon be like, so Brandon, where did you go in Sri Lanka? Check my Snap stories.
No, check that story because she's posted with all the Google Maps. Pidungala. Pidungala.
Pidurangala. Why do I want to drive with
Pidurangala.
Pidu. Oh, yes. Pidu Rangala. Oh, fuck. For all this while, I thought that it's 1200 rupees ticket. I don't know why, what I was calculating. I just 3000 rupees. Nah, I'll be honest, it's not 3000 rupees worth, guys.
It is not.
This rock only looks good from outside, guys. Not from the inside. Cumulatively, we've paid 10,700 rupees. Hey. Wait. Literally, one of my followers sent me this thing that they have these bakes inside the rickshaw. Wow. The smoothie bowl, what we were discussing up on the Sigiriya rock was this. You all need to come to this place if you all are in Sigiriya ever, which is Smoothie Bun. Ice cream bhi hai.
Peanut butter.
Come on, Brandon.
Let me see how much I remember.
Are you guys scared?
ये वाली ने की घुमा चला मैं बेटा और
बंद काउंट कर
अरे अच्छा एंगल नहीं आ रहा है। ओहो नंदी अप्पा मोरिया
मैं भूल गया
लेट्स गो फर्स्ट यू टर्न अरे ओह माय गॉड ए लास्ट है
ये नहीं चल रहा भाई
गिर चढ़ा
थोड़ा रेस कर दो वहां से रेस कर पहला
आगे तुझे आगे दिखता ही अरे देवाश्री गणेशा देवाश्री आ गए
हां बे सामने देख नीचे अबे तू घेर डालने के टाइम नीचे क्या दिखता है मेरी जान
नहीं चल ए भाई किधर डाल अबे गाने में बात क्यों किए We left Sigiriya. Our initial plan was to stay there for 2 days and then go to Negombo and fly to Mumbai. But then Brandon made a really good point, which was like, why don't we just stay in Sigiriya for 1 day and then later relax in Negombo and directly take the flight. So because of that, we're now going to Negombo. We're going to stay there for 1 day and tomorrow we go back to Mumbai. Before that, again, this was not in our itinerary. Thanks for having a tuk-tuk. So we could change plans. Now we're visiting the Ambula Royal Cave Temple. Highly recommend, guys. I'm telling you, these days vacations in India are getting so expensive. You literally come outside and experience a better hospitality. There are 2 entries actually. We were not aware that you could even get your tuk-tuk till here in park. 2 separate temples, I would say. So now we're hiking the other one. It's a little confusing. The ticket is on the other side. They have 2 entries. So just be careful when you come. Second hike of the day, guys. One at 6 o'clock. Second one at 12. No wonder I'm feeling so hungry. I think we're almost there. Yes. See the top. Sri Lanka is testing us. You are unfit. Everywhere you go, people wear white in Sri Lanka mostly. And there's rhythm. There is black. Like the school uniform was also white. totally recommend coming here, guys. The denominations are crazier. Our bill for the pizza was 6,820.
280.
If I'm not wrong, this is 6,000. This is 6,100 and 80. 100 is missing.
ठीक है 500.
ये कैश है? इतने नोट कितना बचा कैश?
80 rupees.
अरे बहुत 80 हल्के यार.
You know what is the funniest part? टपरी पे चाय भी नहीं आएगा इसमें.
20 for you. Good luck है.
हाँ ये घर पे लेके जाते 2020. Guys, this road trip is not ending only. We've left 11 in the morning from Sigiriya and we're still somewhere
In the middle.
in the middle. Now we went to Cafe Amanzi. Amaki, sorry. Very nice. Cheers, guys. Cheers.
मेरा स्वीटी है. मोका.
भेजेगा एक क्वेश्चन अभी तक.
हाँ?
Oh fuck.
Too sweet, na?
It's too sweet for him.
Ice mocha, we judge people who drink ice mocha. Being a coffee lover, drinking ice mocha.
Bonded coffee and chocolate.
एक काम करना शक्कर खाना कोरा.
ड्राइवर लोग रिलैक्स नहीं कर सकते. आपके बहुत ब्रेक हो रहे.
We have gone from arriving at 2 to 3 to 4 to now 5:30.
अभी
You're
कोई
not
ब्रेक
reaching
लिया
before
ना.
6:30.
ये ब्रांडन का ही था.
उसके बाद एक स्टॉप लिया भैंस में. उसके बाद एक स्टॉप नहीं. 2 घंटा नॉन स्टॉप. ये बात से चलाओ. नॉस. वाओ.
She.
I thought you were just saying shit like that. He really gave us a demo. Demo दिखाओ क्या?
अबे उसका भी हक नहीं आएगा यार.
नहीं आएगा. Maybe.
We finally reached our Airbnb in Negombo. It looks really nice, but I don't like that the amount of mosquitoes that are there in this Airbnb. How am I supposed to sleep? We're heading to the beach to see the sunset and obviously to get my run in. 6:10, 6:30 is the sunset time and the beach is 4 kilometers away. Running next to Negombo beach in Sri Lanka. So proud of myself. After 2 mini hikes, 4 hours journey in the tuk-tuk to now running 2 kilometers at the Negombo beach. Clap for me, come on! Yay! We are drinking.
इसका स्टोरी पे नहीं था.
Is it allowed?
It's allowed. Finally, somewhere in the world where you can drink alcohol on the beach. I'm having a lion lager. It doesn't give you yeah. The privilege of having a beer on the beach. We are civil guys. We are not like average Indians. We're not going to have a beer and then dump the can in the ocean. We're not like that. Get the can back with us and remember if it does drink.
It is 11 a.m. Our flight is at 12:50. We are late for the airport. We're busy shooting at our Airbnb and then the boys were shopping for some coffee. Right now we are going to get our flight because it's at 12:50. What are we saying? Traveling is...
Traveling is a fucking addiction, bro. It's an addiction. I've not even left Sri Lanka yet. My flight is at 12:50. I'm already planning my next Cambodia trip. And I want to go to Cambodia only because there's 2 printer over there.
Fuck you, I have a camera with me. We're going back to Mumbai, but I'm excited because guys know that I just shifted to a new apartment. I don't think I've mentioned it to you guys in my vlogs. Yeah, we need to do a house tour for you guys. Fuck, for first 6 months हो गया कुछ किया नहीं YouTube पे. At least the second half I should be recording more and not just when I'm traveling. I think it's a 2.5 hour journey from Sri Lanka to Mumbai. That's it.
I'm just mentioning I'm not editing the vlog.
क्या?
I'm just mentioning that I'm not editing the vlog.
Is this on the camera?
I'm not going to edit the Sri Lanka vlog.
Brandon is so done with me. He's like, I'm not going to meet you
No, I'm meeting
for
in
the
the
next
evening.
2 weeks. Yeah, because he's booked a concert. We already made it to Bombay, guys. It's 3:30. Our flight was on time. But hope you guys enjoyed the Sri Lanka vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Me realizing I have to edit 10 days of footages.